Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be making a very easy, quick, and delicious recipe, which is the BBQ Meatballs, featuring our Saladmaster limited edition product that is only available in the month of March, the beautiful 6-quart roaster. What I love about this 6-quart roaster is it has a curved wall, okay, that makes it really unique to Saladmaster collection. And of course, it features the Saladmaster signature 316 titanium in the interior portion that touches your food. So that means it's going to protect the quality and purity of your food. Wow, this 6-quart roaster is really perfect for small parties, you know, that you can use every day. And it comes again with the detachable handles, okay, that makes it easier for you to store your cookware. And again, when you remove the handles, okay, this limited edition product can also be put inside your oven. Just remove the knob. This is a must that you must have in your kitchen, in your Saladmaster collection. So let's start cooking. Now our ingredients are 64 ounces of frozen beef meatballs. You can actually also use chicken meatballs or fresh meatballs, okay? And I will be using 1 bottle of original Kraft barbecue sauce. And to add some sweetness in your barbecue, we're going to be adding 5 tablespoons of strawberry jam. You can also use any jelly, like for example, grape jelly. But this is just really makes the kids love this recipe because you can actually alternate this with honey, okay? So, to start with, okay, I have here my limited edition product, 6-quart roaster. And you don't have to preheat this. So this is a cold pan. And what we need to do is we're going to start putting a little bit of our barbecue sauce at the bottom, just like so, okay? And then I'm just going to spread it, okay? Again, this is a cold pan, all right? And then we'll be pouring all of our 64 ounces frozen beef meatballs. Look at that. This is what I love about the 6-quart roaster. It's really perfect for everyday cooking. And then we're going to pour in the rest of your barbecue sauce. All of it. All right. Okay. And then we're going to add 5 tablespoons of your strawberry jam. But like what I said, you can also use honey or grape jelly, whatever your preference are. But like what I said, the kids will gonna love this. So this is really easy recipe that you can prepare for any birthday parties. I'm just gonna add more of this, and then I'm going to stir this, and then we're gonna set the temperature to medium heat, and then cook it for 15 minutes, and your frozen barbecue meatballs is ready. As easy as 1, 2, 3. 15 minutes are up and we are ready to check on our barbecue meatballs. So can you see the magical vapor valve clicking? We're gonna turn off the temperature, and then ooh la la, look at that. Your meatball is ready. Wow, you can now have a party with the kids. The kids will definitely love this delicious barbecue meatballs. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!